Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll showcase the KTH01, a 4-wire hybrid video intercom kit featuring plug-and-play configuration, convenient app management capabilities, and an updated user interface. The packaging has been updated to be more vibrant and includes a depiction of the products within the box, giving customers a clear visual representation of its contents. Let's look inside. Here you can see the contents within the package itself. You may have noticed something extra in there. Don't worry, you're not seeing things. We have included a 5-meter 4-wire cable in the kit so you can quickly connect and configure your video intercom solution. The hybrid video intercom kit combines the benefit of IP functionality with an analog connection solution, resulting in a lower price compared to IP kits. Now let's plug and play. As you can see, the UI has been updated. The colors have been adjusted to create a more comfortable and contemporary atmosphere, replacing the blue tones with warmer hues. Additionally, the visual layout has been revamped with larger icons and a user-friendly design, catering to the needs of both children and older individuals. App management allows users to add video intercom devices to their mobile apps. Users can receive calls from the video intercom device and remotely communicate with visitors to release the door, among other features. One more notable feature I'd like to mention that sets our kit apart is that it allows the VTO to be used as a doorbell in apartment scenarios without using any software licenses. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.